Resveratrol, the health elixir. Resveratrol, a natural polyphenol and phytoalexin, has garnered attention for its potential health benefits and intriguing properties. It is primarily found in the skin of red grapes and is also present in various plants, including peanuts and certain berries. The compound gained popularity due to its association with the French paradox, where despite a diet rich in fats, the French exhibited lower rates of heart disease, speculated to be linked to their moderate red wine consumption. The paradox has led scientists to explore various factors, including the regular consumption of red wine, which is rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, and the overall lifestyle of the French, which includes smaller portion sizes, leisurely meals, and a strong social and family-oriented approach to dining. While the French paradox is a complex interplay of cultural, dietary, and lifestyle factors, it underscores the importance of considering holistic lifestyle elements in understanding health outcomes. Here's a closer look at resveratrol and its sources. Red grapes and red wine. Red grapes are a rich source of resveratrol. The skin of red grapes, in particular, contains higher concentrations of this compound. Red wine, made from fermented red grapes, also contains resveratrol. Purple and red berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain varying amounts of resveratrol. The compound is often found in the skin of these berries. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are another fruit that contains resveratrol. The skin and seeds are the primary sources of this compound in pomegranates. Dark chocolate. Cocoa, the main ingredient in dark chocolate, contains resveratrol. However, the amounts may not be as high as in some other sources. Peanuts and pistachios. Certain nuts, including peanuts and pistachios, contain modest amounts of resveratrol. The skin of peanuts, in particular, is a source. Japanese knotweed. Resveratrol is also present in significant amounts in the roots of Japanese knotweed, Polygonum cuspidatum. This plant is often used in traditional medicine in some cultures. Red and purple grapes juice. Just like whole red grapes, their juice can also contain resveratrol. Look for 100% natural grape juice without added sugars. Itadori tea. Japanese knotweed tea. Tea made from the Japanese knotweed plant, also known as Itadori tea, is consumed in some cultures and can be a source of resveratrol. Free radical scavenger. Resveratrol is known for its potent antioxidant properties, helping neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This contributes to overall cellular health and may play a role in reducing oxidative stress. Cardiovascular health. Resveratrol is associated with potential cardiovascular benefits. It may improve blood vessel function, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure. These effects contribute to heart health. Modulating inflammation. Resveratrol has anti-inflammatory properties that may help combat chronic inflammation, a common factor in various chronic diseases. Potential cancer protection. Some studies suggest that resveratrol may have anti-cancer effects by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and triggering apoptosis, programmed cell death. Neuroprotective benefits and brain health. Resveratrol has been investigated for its potential neuroprotective effects. It may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Metabolic support. Some research indicates that resveratrol may contribute to improved insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Longevity and sirtuins. Resveratrol is believed to activate sirtuins, a group of proteins associated with longevity and cellular health. However, the extent to which resveratrol influences human longevity is still a topic of research. Bioavailability challenges. Some considerations. While resveratrol has demonstrated promising effects in laboratory studies, its bioavailability can be a challenge. The body absorbs and metabolizes it quickly, and achieving therapeutic levels through diet alone may be challenging. Moderation and caution. Red wine consumption. While red wine is a source of resveratrol, it's essential to emphasize moderation due to the potential negative effects of excessive alcohol consumption. Resveratrol stands as a fascinating compound with potential health benefits. While its association with the French paradox sparked interest, ongoing research continues to explore its mechanisms of action and potential applications for human health. As with any compound, it's important to approach resveratrol as part of a balanced and varied diet, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable, particularly if considering supplements. The secrets of resveratrol may hold keys to promoting health and longevity, but the full story is still unfolding in the realm of scientific inquiry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.